Hey there, fellow Snapchat users. Welcome back to our channel, where we share valuable tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we'll be guiding you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to effectively report a bug in your settings on Snapchat. By reporting bugs, you can contribute to improving the overall performance and reliability of the app. So, let's jump right into the steps. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Look for the recognizable yellow ghost icon on your home screen or in your app drawer and tap to open it. Step 2. Once you're inside the Snapchat app, locate and tap on the account icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Within your account settings, you'll find the gear icon. Tap on it to access the various options and preferences available in your Snapchat settings. Step 4. Scroll down until you come across the option labeled I spotted a bug. Tap on it to access the bug reporting feature. Step 5. Inside the bug reporting menu, select Settings to report a bug specifically related to the Settings section in Snapchat. Step 6. Write a specific report detailing the bug you encountered in the settings. Be sure to provide as much information as possible to help the Snapchat team identify and rectify the issue. If necessary, you can include pictures to illustrate the problem by tapping on Add Attachments and selecting the relevant images. By following these steps, you can easily report a bug in your settings on Snapchat and contribute to improving the overall performance and reliability of the app. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.